Yes. Sure. My name is Nitin Kaulaukar. I lead the Walmart Cloud Platform. We fondly call it as Stratty in Walmart. Quite impressed. Quite impressed. Today is the third day. Today specializes on data and cloud. And I've been manning this for a while now. I've seen people coming from all over the company, all of the companies, and they're interested in Walmart, what we want to do. What amazes me is their awareness of what we do in Walmart, the scale, the retail. So fairly interesting set of people we met, and quite amused. I think our primary objective is definitely to attract talent, right? It's a large pool of talent we get, and that's one objective. But also, spread our branding, what we do in Walmart, so that it may not be just the talent. It's generally increasing our brand value, and I think it kind of achieved our purpose. And a big based on people. You've seen that 15 minutes ago, a lot of people were lined up for the quiz, and very interesting sessions with them. Yeah, absolutely. The venue is good. I think the participation is good. I was able to attend a few of them with the sessions, very insightful. So going good. I'm looking forward to attending it next year too.